Hello everyone, it's Boris Kipnis. Welcome to our second lesson. If you haven't watched yet our first lesson, please do it now, otherwise you won't understand today's lesson. The link is on the screen. This lesson is very intensive and your active participation is highly important. Always press the pause button, build the phrase on your own and only then listen to the correct answer. Let's start. How would you say Rosa wants to speak with me? With me, how do you say it? I always start with myself, following the three steps. With me, איתי. With you, Joseph, איתך. With you guys, איתכם. Now build the phrase on your own. רוזה רוצה לדבר איתי. Very good. Rosa wants to speak with you. With you, how do you say with you? I always start with myself, following the three steps. With me, איתי. With you, Joseph, איתך. With you guys, איתכם. Now build the phrase on your own. רוזה רוצה לדבר איתך. Our next phrase is Rosa wants to speak with you. Now speaking to a group, how do you say with you? Correct. I always start with myself, following the three steps. With me, איתי. With you, Joseph, איתך. With you guys, איתכם. Now build the phrase on your own. רוזה רוצה לדבר איתכם. Perfect. I don't want to speak with him. Three steps. With me, איתי. With you, Joseph, איתך. With you guys, איתכם. With him, it, איתו. Very good. Build the phrase on your own. אני לא רוצה לדבר איתו. Excellent. How would you say, I don't want to speak with you? With you, Sarah, how do you say it? Yes, three steps. With me, איתי. With you, Joseph, איתך. With you guys, איתכם. If with you, Joseph, is איתך, with you, Sarah, ח changes to אח. Build the phrase on your own. אני לא רוצה לדבר איתך. Excellent. How would you say, I don't want to speak with her? Three steps. With me, איתי. With you, Joseph, איתך. With you guys, איתכם. With her, it, איתה. Very good. Build the phrase on your own. אני לא רוצה לדבר איתה. Next phrase. I want to speak with you, Joseph. אני רוצה לדבר איתך. I want to speak with you, guys. אני רוצה לדבר איתכם. I want to speak with them. Build the phrase following the three steps. With me, איתי. With you, Joseph, איתך. With you guys, איתכם. With them, איתם, איתם. Therefore, I want to speak with them. אני רוצה לדבר איתם. Very good. How would you say, I want to speak with him? אני רוצה לדבר איתו. I don't want to speak with her. אני לא רוצה לדבר איתה. I want to speak with you. With you girls. How do I say with you girls? With me, איתי. With you, Joseph, איתך. With you guys, איתכם. With you girls, the next sound in the alphabet, N, gives us איתכן. Build the phrase on your own. אני רוצה לדבר איתכן. Very good. I want to speak with them. With them, girls. With me, איתי. With you, Joseph, איתך. With you guys, איתכם. With them, guys, איתם, איתם. איתם. With them girls, the next sound in the alphabet. איתן. איתן. Build the phrase on your own. אני רוצה לדבר איתן. Wonderful. I want to speak with her. אני רוצה לדבר איתה. How would you say to Joseph, want coffee? רוצה קפה? And how would you say speaking to a mixed group, want coffee? Now we remember that with you, Joseph, is איתך, meaning that with you guys is איתכם. Speaking to Joseph, רוצה. Speaking to a group, רוצה הם, רוצם, 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 רוצים. Very good. So speaking to a group, how would you say want coffee? Correct. רוצים קפה? We in Hebrew is אנחנו. We, אנחנו. How would you say we want to speak? אנחנו רוצים לדבר. We don't want to speak. אנחנו לא רוצים לדבר. How would you say we want to speak with Joseph? We want to speak with him. אנחנו רוצים לדבר עם יוסף. אנחנו רוצים לדבר איתו. Joseph wants to speak with us. How do you say with us, with us? We haven't learned it yet. In any case, we follow the steps. With me, איתי. With you, Joseph, איתך. With you guys, איתכם. So with us will be just a second. We remember how to say we. אנחנו. We and with us rhyme together. It, itnu, pronounced itanu. We, אנחנו, with us, itanu. Build this phrase on your own. יוסף רוצה לדבר איתנו. And how would you say, we want to speak with you? Want to speak with us? אנחנו רוצים לדבר איתכם. רוצים לדבר איתנו? Very good. Excellent. Congratulations! Now, after you've watched the 2 first lessons, in less than 20 minutes you learned one of the most important principles of the Hebrew language. Share your own phrases in the comments below. I will correct the first 10 phrases. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.